Hello students, this is your math teacher and today we are going to start with our new chapter related to geometry, that is chapter number 7, lines and angles. So before starting with the chapter, I would like to revise some basic geometric terms. Okay, so first point we'll see if I am keeping my pencil point on a paper, right, and I'm preparing a dot. So this dot is said to be a point in geometry, right? If I'll collect such type of dots together, finite number of dots together, then I'm getting line segment, right? Line segment, remember, if I'm collecting finite number of points together, then I'm getting line segment. So line segment is a collection of finite number of points. Okay, that means we can measure the length of this line segment. Clear? Now if I'll extend this line segment at both ends, means suppose like this with help of arrow, right? So this is said to be a line. Okay, we are going to put two arrows at the end of this line segment, right? So this arrows indicates that this line is endless at both the ends, right? So that means we cannot measure the length of line. We can measure the length of line segment, but we cannot measure the length of this line. Clear? Now, what do you mean by array? Okay, see. Is this called as a ray? Yes. This figure is said to be a ray, right? A ray is endless at one point. Okay, it's a part of a line. Got it? So this is said to be a ray. So we can say that a ray is a line segment extended endlessly in one direction. Okay, so see other type of ray also. This is also called as a ray, right? Okay, can we give the names to these geometric figures? Yes. This point, if I want to represent as a capital letter A, so I can say that this is point A. This line segment also we can represent with capital letters. Suppose this is AB, so I can say that this is line segment AB. Similarly, if I want to name this line, I will give the name as line AB. And how can I write like this? Line AB, or I can write like this AB, and on the head of this AB I will draw small line. Okay, so this also represent the name of this line, that is line AB. Got it? Now what about ray? We can name the ray also. How? See, suppose this is your point A and this is point B. So I will write the name of ray as either ray AB or AB, ray. Got it? For this also, if I'll give the name as, suppose this is my point B, okay, and this is my point A. So what will the name of this ray? I'll write this as ray BA or BA ray. Got it? So by these ways you can give the names to that particular basic diagrams. Clear? Now we'll talk about some types of lines also, right? Types of lines. Some types of lines I hope you know, but still I would like to explain them. The first type of line we'll see, that is intersecting lines. Okay, now what do you mean by intersecting lines? First, see what is the meaning of this intersecting. Intersection, this word is related with intersection. So intersection means what? Where what do you mean by intersecting? So intersecting means where any two line segments or lines are meeting at a single point. If they are meeting at a single point, then that lines are said to be an intersecting lines. Got it? Or you can say that if any two lines pass through a common point, then these lines are also called as intersecting lines. So how to draw intersecting line? See, this is first line. Suppose the name of this line is L. You can write the name of the line in small letters also. And the second line is, suppose this is line M. Are they meeting at a single point? Yes, see here they are meeting. So that's why these lines are said to be intersecting point, because these lines are meeting at a single point. Okay, and this point is called as the point of intersection. Clear? Now we'll see next type of lines, that is parallel lines. Do you have any idea about parallel lines? Which lines are said to be parallel lines? See, I'll draw a figure over here. See, this is our first line. Suppose this is line A, and another line I'll draw. See, this is your line B. So I would like to say that these two lines are parallel. Why these lines are said to be parallel? Because these two lines never intersect each other. Clear? Means if I'll extend these lines at both the ends, they will never intersect each other. Okay? So that means they remains at a constant distance apart. That means the distance between these two lines will remain the same throughout this line, right? So that means these lines are said to be parallel lines, okay? Because these two lines never intersect each other. Clear? So these are said to be parallel lines. Okay, now next point we'll discuss. Next point is angles. So what do you mean by angles now? Okay, before that, how to draw angles? See what I am doing here. See how I am drawing. See, this is my first ray, right? This is my another ray. Okay, I am giving name as this ray as AB and this ray as AC. Okay, so is this angle formed over here? Yes. As you can see, this is an angle, right? So, what do you mean by angle? Two rays. See here, I draw one ray AB, another ray is AC. Okay, the two rays with a common point. Which is the common point over here? Point A is a common point. Okay, so two rays with a common initial point. That is also important. Common initial point, right? Form an angle. So this is said to be an angle BAC. Okay, that means ray AB and ray AC forms an angle BAC. Got it? So how to denote this angle now? So this angle is denoted by either angle A or angle BAC. Clear? Okay. So most probably we would like to give the names in 3 letters. Okay, we'll write the name of the angles in 3 letters. See here, so we'll prefer to write the angle as angle BAC. Clear? And these two rays are said to be arms of an angle. As I said to you that give the names of an angles in 3 letters most probably. Why I said like this? See, suppose if such type of figure is there. Okay, B, A, C, D. And I am saying that here angle A. I would like to write the angle A. Okay, so how can I write this? How can I find out this angle A? Which angle A you are saying? Whether it is this angle BAC or angle CAD or BAD. So you will get confused. Are you getting my point? Right? So that's why whenever you are writing the name of an angle, write the name of that angle in 3 letters. Okay, that means suppose if I'll say angle BAC, so I'll be very clear that which angle you are talking about, that is this angle, right? If you will say that angle CAD, so that means you are talking about this angle. So you will be getting clear idea about which angle you are saying. Okay.